Standing in the shadow of a neon glow, raindrops falling where the heartbeats flow. City lights are dim, but the